Begin by making a guideline with the lever fully open on the clipper. Next, close the lever and gradually open it as you begin to blend up. Here I open it slightly about a quarter of the way. And here I open it up just a little bit past halfway. Next, I have the one guard with the lever fully open, making another guideline. Begin blending at the bottom of the guideline with the lever fully closed with the one guard. Now blend in between that with the lever halfway open. Next, take the half guard and blend up under the one guard closed, and the lever is halfway open. Now close the lever and blend right up under that. Be careful not to go too high. Next, debulk up to the parietal ridge with the number 2 guard, and the lever is fully closed. Now come up under that number 2 guard with the 1.5 guard, and the lever is fully open. So here we're connecting the top with the bottom of the fade. Now close the lever and continue to blend. Blending out the middle portion of a fade is what gives you that gradiency. So you want that transition from skin to medium to dark. Next, take the one guard and refine the blend, removing any dark spots. And finally, refine the edge up. And that's how you do a fade, step by step.